Doing a PhD without a master's degree. Can graduate on time? Possible? Crazy, right? Let me share my journey. I started my PhD right after my bachelor's. This is the day that I left Malaysia with full of fear and excitement. I went to the UK to achieve my dream and build up my future. And this is my research group. And honestly, I felt I was the most stupidest person. The way they all discuss research, Web of Science lah, Scopus lah, journals lah. But did that discourage me? No, never. I only pushed further, and then this happened. This book changed my life forever. This is my thesis. In 2 years and 11 months, I submitted my hardbound to my graduate school with 12 solid Web of Science publications. So I literally not just graduate on time, but I can also be considered graduate before time. The entire story took me about 10 to 18 hours of focused work per day. I wanted to be the best among the researchers in my group. Whenever you meet someone better than you in your life, don't envy them. Try to learn from them. And that was my formula. I never really enjoyed my time in the UK during my PhD. But is it worth? Well, look at my parents. Not only that, my solid publications opened doors to a multitude of opportunities. I secured jobs in Canada and UK before even completing my PhD Viva. I then returned to Malaysia to join Telekom Malaysia R&D, and the love for research and my PhD knowledge further enabled me and pushed me to win multiple awards. And all the travels that I missed during my PhD time, I finally fulfilled during my time at Telekom Malaysia. Now, I own a business with ISO and MSc statuses that consults researchers, masters, PhD students, academicians and corporates in over 36 countries, successfully employing more than 120 experts. Is doing a PhD a wrong idea? Never. It changed my life altogether. You planning to start your PhD? Go for it. If you are stuck in your research journey, get in touch. We will get you there.